So I'm replacing the camshaft position sensor in my daughter's 2014 Volkswagen Beetle, and it's located right there. This thing is tapping. So you can see it has that star bit screw that needs to come out, which is pretty much impossible to get to. But I made this clever little device. I just have the proper size star bit, put it in a 1/4 inch ratcheting wrench, or ratchet, and put a little magnet on the back of it to kind of hold it in place, and pushed it almost all the way forward, a little bit in there almost forward, so that I can actually fit it in there. If the wrench was any further back, it wouldn't be able to fit in there because it would bump into that thing. So I can get it to stay here. So hopefully you can see this. As it goes in there, just kind of put your finger on the back of it, get it into place, and then just ratchet it right out. The real trick is going to be trying to get it back in there, I suppose, but this is working, so that's good. As the screw backs out, you probably can't see it, but the wrench is sliding forward on the bit more and more. So hopefully it doesn't have to go too much further. As far as that little gadget is going to get it. Get the rest of it with my fingers. Oh yeah, good. At this point, you probably can't see it, but I'm just turning it with my fingers and it's working. Be sure you catch it so it doesn't fall down into it. You know, it can go far.